All right, folks, so this is the Google Pixel 6, the first of the Tensorline Pixel devices, and I am now updating it to Android 16 QPR1 Beta 1, so that way in this video I can share with you guys in real time of what I think of the Pixel 6 basically on Android 16, how it's functioning and all those things. So it's going to go through the system setup. Should take a little bit of time to download it since it's going to be a slightly large file. But once it's installed and up to date, then we'll take a look at the user interface and run through it, see how everything looks. 496 megabytes, not bad. All right, so I took care of a couple of things. Let's go ahead and restart now. All right, so at this point, there's like 51 apps that need to be updated. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them update and then check back in with you guys, let you guys know how things is working out. But so far, it's not bad. I still dig the battery percentage in the battery bar, that's for sure. Anyways, let's get them updated. Alright, so after all the updating and everything, we are currently sitting at 93% battery right now. And I went ahead and got the quick settings set up the way that I want it. And right now I'm just really playing around with the phone, just being on social media. And what kind of scared me and what I looked at was a picture of that. That is, yeah, some very unhealthy options right there. All right, folks, so I've been using it for a little bit, just trying to see if I find any weird glitching or just anything that would be alarming with the Pixel 6 being on Android 16 QPR1 Beta 1, and so far nothing. The audio is sounding pretty good. I'm not finding any bug issues with audio. I'm not finding any bug issues with navigating the user interface. The user interface feels nice and fluid and smooth. Being able to edit my quick settings, I'm able to do the wallpaper. If you want to do the wallpaper effects, like with the rain and snow and stuff like that, it's all there. So it's not missing anything like what my Pixel 9a has or what my Pixel 8a has. It has them all too. I am going to be doing another video on the Pixel 7 on how it's doing with Android 16 QPR Beta 1. But I can tell you guys the Pixel 6 just feels a whole lot better. And it looks pretty good too, along with the Material 3 expressive. I think that's a nice touch. It's not a drastic user interface change, but it's a very welcome change. There are some aspects, when it comes to Android that needs to be fixed. These are long time issues with Android, and I'm not really going to go into all that. But so far, everything is fine. Camera is fine too as well. Taking photos and stuff like that is all nice and dandy. You still get the night mode and everything like that. So, you can get some pretty decent photos with the Pixel 6. Yeah, not a huge problem at all whatsoever. So like I said, I'll be doing a video basically letting you guys know what Android 16 QPR Beta 1 is like on a Pixel 7. That's going to be coming up probably later on in the week. But I am going to continue using this. And I will post here. I am beginning to use YouTube like it's X and Threads and stuff like that. So if you want to get a follow-up opinion of mine, just check the channel and I guess the posts, and you guys will see my thoughts on this. But anyways, it's a quick video for you guys. Android 16 QPR Beta 1 on the Google Pixel 6. I say it's handling it very well.